Today an exciting one because we are unboxing the brand new OnePlus 13 and taking a deeper look on the device. It's only been released in China so far and we should see a global launch in the coming months. If you are following the OnePlus 13 leaks and rumors like I have, you will know there was a lot of buzz, so let's see how much of it is actually true. Okay, so here's the first look at the OnePlus 13. First thing I'm noticing is the new design. Let me know in the comments if you are a big fan. Right off we can see they have switched things up this year. Check this out, the camera module. It's no longer extending from the frame. Instead, it's a separate circular module and there is a new horizontal stripe on the back that gives unique look. And see the Hasselblad logo. They have moved it out of the camera unit and it looks nice, I think. The frame is flat this time around. Yes, no curved display. It's been a signature OnePlus design since the OnePlus 7 Pro in 2019. So this is definitely a bold move. I know some of you will miss the curve, but the flat display can be more practical, especially for gaming and watching videos. Now, OnePlus hasn't skimmed the durability either. This phone is IP68 and IP69 certified, so it's dust and water resistant to a pretty impressive level. And for the first time, they have added an IR blaster, which is a cool throwback that lets you control your TV and other IR compatible devices. Also, we got the stereo speaker, 4 microphones and an upgraded bionic vibration motor, which should make for better haptics. Of course, the beloved alert slider is still there on the left side, and we have a USB 3.1 Gen 1 port on the bottom for faster data transfer. Now let's talk display. OnePlus really packed a punch here. There is a massive 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus 8T LTPO OLED display from BOE, and guys, it's got an insane peak brightness of 4500 nits. Watching content on this is going to be awesome, especially with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support. And yes, we are still rocking that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner under the display, which should be fast and accurate. Alright, let's go under the hood. The OnePlus 13 is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This should handle anything you throw at it, from heavy gaming to multitasking. And if you are worried about overheating, OnePlus has included an upgraded cooling system with a 13.4% larger heat dissipation area, so the phone should stay cool and even during long gaming sessions. Now, this is one of my favorite upgrades, the battery. The OnePlus 12 already had a huge 5400 mAh battery, but they have gone even bigger this time with 6000 mAh battery. And yes, we got 100 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging support. So not only it is big, but it's also quick to top up. Here is another highlight, the camera setup. We got the triple camera array on the back. The OnePlus 13 comes with a main shooter of 50 megapixel Sony LYT808 sensor with OIS and a big f1.6 aperture for better low light shots. Then there is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor that doubles as a macro lens and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and OIS. On the video front, we are getting 8K at 30 FPS from the rear and 4K at 60 FPS from the selfie camera. So vlogging and video enthusiasts, this might be the perfect for you. One thing to note, this model is currently running Color OS 15, which is the default in China, but for the global launch, we should expect to see it on Oxygen OS 15 with OnePlus classic look and feel. Alright, let's talk pricing. In China, the OnePlus 13 started around $630 and the top tier variant with 24 gigs and 1TB variant at $840. Compared to the OnePlus 12, that's about a $30 bump. So should you buy it? OnePlus has delivered a premium flagship here compared to other recent releases in the smartphone industry. The OnePlus 13 definitely holds its ground in performance, battery and especially display. However, the final decision comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. If you love the OnePlus 12, you will probably love the 13 even more. If the design changes, larger battery and improved camera excites you, this should be a solid upgrade. That's it for today, guys. Let me know in the comments what do you think of the OnePlus 13. Is it worth the upgrade? And don't forget to like, subscribe Gearbytes and hit the bell icon so you never miss out more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, I catch you in the next one.